In the first round of men's action in the 2016 Maryland JUCO Championship Tournament, the upstart third-seeded MC Raptors took on sixth-seed the Hagerstown Hawks, a team the Raptors had knocked off on the road way back in November. And this one turned out to be a tale of two halves. The first half got off to a slow start. Both teams were as cold from the field as the single-digit temperatures that welcomed them to Garrett College. It was just 13-9 Hawks 10 minutes in. Both teams were playing tough zone defense, but still it was more a matter of the shots just not falling. But after the slow first 10, Hagerstown got on track and began to take control and build on their lead, dropping threes and just generally dictating the pace of play. MC led only once, very briefly, and also took a bobby blow when they lost Emmanuel EJ for the game to a knee injury. The Hawks put together a solid last 10 minutes as they steadily and methodically built a 37-32 halftime lead. But like I said, this game was a tale of two halves. If the first belonged to Hagerstown, the Raptors can lay claim to the second, the one that counts. MC came out with more energy, Pat Smith with a putback, and their shots just started falling. Smith again, this time from D'Angelo Vaughn. They also picked up the intensity on the defensive end. Now, whether that was a result of renewed energy or whether it was the D that stoked their energy, it's anybody's guess. Regardless, 5 minutes in, a Travis Baker offensive board and putback tied it at 39. And seconds later, a Jawan Wayne steal and score put the Raptors up for the first time since early in the game. Wayne added to the lead moments later on an and one, and the Raptors were off and running. And everybody joined in on the fun. Terrell Baker for three. Davon Pestano with a nice floater in the lane. Vaughn with a nifty baseline drive. Vaughn again after a picture-perfect Raptors fast break. Pestano again off a steal. Nice double pump for two more. MC put on a clinic in the second 20 minutes, led by ringmaster Vaughn. One more nice floater for two from the sophomore. And when Pat Smith closed it out with an exclamation point dunk, the Raptors had coasted to an 81-58 win to move on to the tournament semifinals tomorrow against League Power Baltimore City. It should be a great one. For the Raptor Report, I'm Michael Brown.